Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to tell you how to know the daily combo of Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know the daily combats, if you go into your Hamster Kombat and go into this daily combo section, it will give you 5 million coins every day for completing this daily combo. Now, in order to know the daily combo of every day, you can just simply use the search engines or YouTube channels. You just simply have to go into any of your browser and search for daily combo of each day and you will get the search results. For example, I'm using my YouTube in order to get that information. For example, I'm searching daily combo for today. And after searching, there will be so many results for each day. Here are so many channels which uploads the daily combo each day. For example, they have videos for each day of daily combos. You can simply watch those videos and find out which card you have to purchase in order to complete the daily combo. Just simply do that and you will be all set. This way you can easily know the daily combo of Hamster Kombat in each day. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.